Let's see if we're live. We're live. I think we should be live. I hope we're live. Let's see. Cool, cool, cool. We're live. Let me put on some lo-fi kind of jams. Let me post this up. We. Go. Post it on live alert. Add everyone. And then give me a sec, guys. If anyone's in chat, I'm just making some announcements. Friday trading. Yippee. Sorry. Alright. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, and I need to change the date. Yes, I just got home. I got home yesterday, bro. Yesterday night. Change the date. Okay, we're late. We're so late. We're absolutely so late. Late. You know, bro, you have my location, man. That's true. My bad. Well, you didn't tell me you were going to Hong Kong. Or even a general date I play. So, you know, fair game. I'll call it even. NCS Lo-Fi. Okay. Wait for people to trickle in. I just found this morning. Oh, okay. That's fair. You have to confirm your other travel plans, right? If I remember. That was the predicament. Gonna wait for some more people to trickle in before I go over anything. To me, I'm leaning slightly more sidelined for now, but we'll just wait. My grandma has stage 1, so they're moving the tumor from. Oh, okay, that's a good idea to visit right before surgery. Oh, that's awesome, actually. That's perfect timing. Oh, it's like late August, then I'm assuming, or like something like that. What am I looking for? Shivam, just give me a sec. I'm gonna wait for some more people to trickle in, and then I'll go over it. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, no worries. Staying after a surgery. Yeah, you should stay at her place for a bit too after. I mean, unless that's already your plan. Wish you the best of luck. Yes, sir. Prayers for his grandma. I mean, I'll be able to. I mean, I'm not sure if she's comfortable with that. We'll see what she's comfortable with at the time, but I can come by too. This is a no wick. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. Alright, cool. Yo, what's good, Rag? What's up? Welcome everyone. I'll go over maybe 925. I'm stuck with trading. Is there any tips you could share? Like, I studied ICT and I'm trying to add daily bias to my strategy since I haven't followed any bias. Okay. Yeah. I mean, something that really helped me is whatever you apply on lower time frame. So you study ICT, you know, like intraday level what you're looking for, right? Though you really do need daily bias and narrative to um, choose your direction, pretty much, right? So, well, time is fractal. That's something I was taught very early on in my trading. So, generally, a lot of concepts that you can apply on lower time frames, you can apply on intermediate time frames or slightly higher time frames, right? Yeah, yeah, exactly, right? Ethan just said treat your higher time frame like it's a 5 minute chart, right? So you can just pretty much whatever you learned to use on the intraday level, you can use on a higher time frame level, right? Using your time frame alignment, right? Make sure it aligns with whatever original time frame you use to trade. I didn't study ICT, so I'm not sure like which charts he specifically uses, but yeah. Oh, what time frames he uses? Sorry, not charts. That's not the right word. But yeah, that's generally. I can go over bias in a bit as well. I'm just waiting for some people to trickle in. Thank you, Ethan. Yo, it was good talk. Good morning. Beautiful morning, interesting night. That's what I'll say. Anything above that is just extra context. I just start with H1 and H4. Yeah, for sure. That's pretty much all I use too. Literally, I only hop on like the weekly or like daily to kind of like look for like TGIF. I'm like, okay, 30% of the weekly range, blah, blah, blah. That's pretty much it. But I don't even use like, I don't use that as like full conf. It's just like extra conflicts for me in a target. I don't use it as like, oh, I'm gonna take a trade based off that. So pretty much what Ethan said, extra context. I'm just yapping more. Teehee. What I noticed is that trading is like Inception, like search a trade inside a trading. Exactly, exactly. That's a great way to look at it, right? It's like layered. If your higher time frame aligns with your lower time frame, there's higher probability, right? It also depends on your strategy as well. Some people like just catch retracements and they're fine with that. But if you're like the way we trade, we as in Ethan and I, we're looking for the daily expansion, right? You ban the scammers and there's these guys are, bro. These guys are hard workers, bro. They're actually grinders. What the? Maybe you should DM them and you go like, yo, you want to get hired, bro? Can you create shorts for me? Like make 40 a day if you put that much effort in. Like damn. Do you have a Discord or something? Yeah, Ethan has a public Discord. Yeah. He also has a private mentorship, but he's not accepting anyone at the moment. But you can still apply. But no, we don't have a Discord at least together at the moment. I am in Ethan's Discord, though. But there's not much going on. I can still give you the link to the public Discord, but I only just share live alerts there. So if you subscribe to Ethan and I and hit the bell notification, then there shouldn't be really a difference to joining the Discord, to be honest. So at least the free one. Good morning, Aaron. About to break even on the week so far, so we full party today. On a Friday right after war news. Interesting. I wish you luck, brother. I wish you luck. Alright, bro, you got a new subscriber. Thank you, Shiban. Shiban. Welcome, welcome. I am live 9:15 pretty much every single weekday, except I will say you came at a very interesting time because next week on Tuesday I'm going to be flying to Japan. I'm going to be spending 10 days there. I might do a stream or two there, but honestly I'll announce it on my YouTube posts and I'll also announce it on Twitter. But I'll be trying to stream a little less because I'm just trying to enjoy time with my family and also enjoy Japan since it's my first time there. But wow, interesting candle. But overall, oh, it is 9:25. But overall, I might not be streaming for the next like 10 days starting Tuesday, or like not consistently. But when I settle down on the 28th ish, I'll be streaming every day, 9:15 a.m. EST. But yeah, pretty exciting stuff. I'll try to stream as much as I can though. I really do want to stream from Japan, but sometimes I might be out for dinner. Sometimes whatever it may be. Did you get an answer for top step rule? You put yes, I did. Ethan just explained it very easily, because that's what I used to do. Like just look at the percentage change like up here. Like I just click on it and see the percentage change. But then I was reading through the thing to like 5% overnight plus 2%, and then you subtract five, and then you subtract whatever percentage overnight with whatever the day expect. I was like, oh, bro, I'm confused. Show some footage there, please. Please, interested in going something. Yeah, for sure. I'll probably put some stuff on my Twitter. Okay, let me go over, since it's 9:25, let me go over some stuff real quick. Okay, so this is my 90-minute range I'm looking at, right? This dealing range, this is my dealing range. As you can see, ES has tapped the midpoint of it and has entered premium, but I'm not too hell-bent on it, right? This could be easily just some manipulation. It was just war news last night, right? It's not really based off of normal trading activities, I guess, or cycle. I guess it's kind of normal now, which is very unfortunate. I will say, very unfortunate. I left equal lows here as well, but keep in mind, if you're trading top steps or any other prop firm that has a 2% rule where it will blow your accounts if you trade when the market moves more than 2%, this low, these equal lows, is where you will blow your account. So if you're going for a short, I'd recommend putting your stop probably a good fair bit, a little like higher, like maybe like, let's say, yeah, maybe 20 points, 80 ticks before. So just in case there's like an expansion and wants to drive through the lows, it doesn't blow up your accounts, right? Hopefully. So yeah, right now I am on a intraday level. I wouldn't mind seeing some sell side taken out because it's just made a lot of nice sell side liquidity. But overall, I am looking bullish. I do align with Ethan today. So for those that don't get a chance to go into Ethan's narrative, I'm sorry, I'm leaking a low key, but I am aligned with Ethan today. I am aligned. That's all I have to say. I am aligned with Ethan today. I'm more bullish. If I were to take anything, maybe I'd take it to the midpoint of the range, max. I would keep an eye on this sell side liquidity though. I wouldn't be opposed for it to take it out, but I'm overall bullish. If you look at the higher time frame, YM took this low, and Q did not take this low, and ES technically did take this low as well, right here, right? So it is kind of, I don't see really any quarterly theory sequential SMTs, but there is technically I believe I didn't study it fully, but I believe it's a turtle soup. So, and it's technically just a regular SMT, but on a higher time frame. So that does add a bit more confidence. So that is my overlook for the day. I am looking bullish. I'm looking for bullish setups, but I am not opposed to a sweep first. I would definitely sit on your hands today. Like be extra patient. Whatever you normally feel, whatever feelings you get during 9:30 volatility, just throughout the trading morning, keep that in mind, right? Try to suppress it a little extra today, right? If you're that type of person. Some people are always very hesitant, but I'm the type of person to be a little more antsy to jump to opportunities, right? So for me, I'm going to set my hands a little more, at least wait until 9:30. There is 10 a.m. news as well, so at least 9:30, see what goes on, and just wait, right? Yeah. So that is the plan for today. Try to be safe, guys, because we have war news. So that's pretty much as brutal as it pretty much gets right now. So we'll see. $30 seconds till 9:30. Let's see what 9:30 does. Show some footage. Yeah. I'll definitely be posting on my Instagram, but that's more personal. But I'll be posting on Twitter as well. I need to post more things on Twitter, man. I'm a little lackluster on Twitter, to be honest. I'm looking for this expansion to be a little more bullish. It might be sit on my hands type day until it hits this. I will say I did take this on Eval. I did not take this on a funded account. But I wouldn't like I didn't trade it on a funded account because it's not a full framework. But this is my position. Share with you guys right here, right? And let's just see what it does, right? This is just an eval account, so keep that in mind, guys. To build habits, if you're still in the stage where you're struggling to build habits, I would recommend not doing it until you have a full framework. Like, don't take a trade if you're not gonna take. If you weren't gonna take it on a funded, don't take it on eval, right? That's my recommendation for most traders that haven't built up good habits yet. He's like a screenshot. Analysis. That's funny. Alright, that's my TFDs done. TFDs are done for the day. Fundeds, it looks like I might not touch it, which is perfectly fine with me at this point. But we'll see. Maybe this creates a Judas swing, right? Because YM has not created a 5-minute SMT on the highs yet to take out sell-side liquidity, so we'll keep an eye on that. If this creates a 5-minute SMT, confirmed by either a true market structure shift or a 5-minute trade and stake delivery, I'm going to take a short, guys. So that's going to be my idea. If YM takes out the 5-minute high as well, then I'll just sit on my hands and might most likely done until at least 10:30. You know, wait a bit. Yeah, today's a pretty quick morning so far. That's all I'll say. Let me join the call.
That's how that goes.
Yo, what's up? Good morning, guys.
Yo, Eli.
What's up, Eli?
You guys mind if I chill in here?
Oh yeah.
Cool,
Go for it, brother.
Ethan said he's shorting on his TFDs, and I longed on my TFDs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had nothing to go off of, and holy shit, look at this stupid move. That's crazy.
Yeah, look at the analysis chat. I was just like, sorry, Ethan.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
It's just too funny. But
What were you? That 5 minute at the was there a 5 minute at the
I was looking at 1 minute, so.
yeah. 1 minute into, was it the guy model basically?
Yeah, 925 basically formed it.
Nice. Let me see.
It was that closure above the order block, above 913 and 914.
Ah, yes, I see. What was the higher time frame key level?
Like, what would be my higher time frame target?
No. Doesn't he do it?
Oh, he does it until Asia, but I had max profit, so I didn't take it to Asia.
Nice.
Yeah, but it also depends.
Oh, did you?
So
awesome.
Yeah, something to keep in mind is the times he doesn't take it to Asia is when it expands overnight, and we did have expansion overnight. So that's something to keep in mind.
True, I know.
Yeah.
Today was weird.
So this is Asia right here. Sorry if you guys hear the background. Just people construction in my house.
You're good.
So he would like if it's not going, if there's expansion overnight. Sorry, I'm freaking tripping on my own words. Just take it to halfway of the range. It's perfect.
Nice. Yeah, I love EQ. EQ of ranges is awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, I will say. Yeah, this looks like it could be a short.
Yeah, I'm kind of hoping this is manipulation. On the 1 hour, it's forming a precision, and the 4 hours forming a precision right before 10 news, which could be interesting.
4 hour fair value gap. Reaching the
in that fair value gap. Yeah.
So when it says Shivam says I think it's reaching the 4 hour fair value gap. The one at 10 10 a.m. That's really far up, but that's possible. Is this the one you're talking about right here?
I'm looking at the 4 hour kind of.
You are? Nice.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 4 hour to where, I'm looking that there's no SMTs on the 1 hour. They're all kind of blown past the lows. And if it creates some sort of 4 hour SMT, or 4 hour, what's it called? Precision candle in this gap, it kind of formed a 4 hour breaker with a gap.
No, see.
Oh, it's in the 1 hour breaker as well.
And those equal lows. If the 10 a.m. news wants to play out those equal lows with that no-wick freaking 4 hour candle, man, I just don't know if that's today, but there is 10 a.m. news today. So I would only look for anything personally if this 4 hour creates a precision candle inside this 4 hour gap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of news is it? Oh, consumer sentiment.
Seriously.
If it doesn't, I would still, maybe just take it to halfway of the range.
Guys. I wish you a good weekend all, and we hear some Monday.
Yeah, take care. Have a great weekend, man.
Take care, Sandro. Good luck on the car stuff.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. All right, so you said 50% of the range or the 4 hour gap. Thank you, bullish.
50% of yesterday's range is 21,845.
Mm-hmm.
I could see it potentially going back into that.
Someone asked, bullish on the daily. Yes, I'm bullish on the daily. I'm very much bullish on the daily.
Yeah.
If you draw a range on the daily, YM has tapped discount, right? But I will say, this is just generally just pure technical analysis. If someone feels a little more antsy and goes all right, let's someone, I'm saying by someone, but if someone goes I feel like nuking something, then that'll change. That'll change dramatically. YM could also just be driving lower to create more SMTs. It's also something I could keep in mind. Because there's technically, I think, turtle soup on the 9-minute. Is it turtle soup? I don't know, it's considered turtle soup. Honestly, I've never studied turtle soup. My understanding...
Turtle soup's just SMT on the lows, basically.
Yeah, it's just a basic SMT, right? It's am I tripping?
It's essentially that it just takes a swing low, and then goes higher while the other markets don't, essentially. So it is an SMT, but it's just another way of saying it. Okay,
yeah. I must wait for price to see how it reacts based on the fair value gap or BV. What's BV? Is it a center point? Do you know BV?
BV, I don't know.
Bro, a lot of people are coming into a breaker block, order block. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Oh.
Because someone came into the chat yesterday, was talking about IOFE, something like that. I didn't understand what it was, to be honest.
Oh yeah, institutional order flow entry drill.
Yeah, I was like, yo, I did not learn that, bro.
That one's actually kind of psycho. That's an interesting one to study. I haven't studied it a lot, but basically what that means is when price goes back into a fair value gap and launches from it, it barely goes into the fair value gap and reacts strongly. That's an IOFED. It's basically really respecting that fair value gap, and just that candle just explodes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I wish you never told me that. I'm sorry. I just need less knowledge.
Yeah,
no, I'm kidding. That's cool. That's interesting.
Yeah, don't learn it. I don't pay attention to it at all.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pay attention to it. if any acronym is more than 3 letters, I'm sorry, guys. That's not for me. Any acronym more than 3 letters, that's too much learning. Everything I already do works. The more acronyms, the more L's I'm gonna take. I'm telling you right now.
Oh god.
Okay, this is nice. If this creates a 5-minute change of state, I'll take a stab. It's tapped the midpoint, so that's what I like to see. Preferably, I like to see 1-minute SMT too. So maybe it can develop within this 5-minute. We'll see. But I will take a stab. Maybe half risk, honestly, at this point, but we'll see. We'll see how this develops.
Wait, I thought you were already in this.
I was in on a long on my TFDs. I didn't take it. Yeah, it wasn't a full enough framework for me to take on funded. So I was like, oh heck no, bro.
Gotcha. Okay.
Not worth the risk. Can you please show 5-minute order block? Yeah, so 5-minute change of state will create the 5-minute order block. So this would be the order block if it creates, and then I would entry. Stab. Oh, take a stab is like taking a bullet. Like I'll take a try at taking a trade. Is pretty much what I mean by taking a stab. TFDs here. Let me show you guys. I don't trade 1 minute though. I only trade max until. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's really good, Shivan. You don't have to be like I'd say stay on the 5-minute until you're very comfortable. Even so, actually, it's just better. Like if you're profitable on the 5-minute, why go on the 1 minute really? Yeah, let me show you.
1 minute is just a different game. You'll have a lower win rate, and so you just have to deal with that. And it's enticing because the higher RR, but the lower win rate's hard to stomach sometimes.
Yeah. This was my trade right here. I know you guys see this. I quickly went in and got out because I was like, wait a minute, it looks so bullish. I'm gonna trade 1 minute though. It is Friday the 13th. Take a stab. Oh my goodness. Hold up.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you're so right.
Yo.
Oh my goodness.
Bars.
Yo, this guy's... He's onto something. Hold up, guys.
We must.
Okay, I can't take a stab anymore. It's because you said...
stabs today, then.
It's because I said take a stab and I thought now it's going up. It's over. It did go down to low-key create a 1 minute SMT. That could just continue it higher. But I do like how it hit equilibrium, so if it creates a better structure here and then gives me an indication of lower prices, I'm going to take a stab. Or, yeah, I'm going to keep saying take a stab. I'm too used to it.
I like it.
Actually... sorry, I missed the question. I believe someone said... hey, I want to learn how to spot MMXM. So, like, between phases? Because I'll give you a little hack. The spot between phases is just SMT. So to know if it's going to explain out of accumulation or going to do a market structure shift, a true market structure shift, and to flip the market maker model, you just use SMTs. Teehee. Teehee. Here. So generally like to zoom out. Here. I mean, actually, right now it's not really great examples right now because it's just how the market is. Actually, let me make it nicer. Just give me a second, Lord Institution. I'm just watching how this 5 minute closes real quick. I want to network as well with traders. This is a paid mentorship, or I don't have a paid mentorship. I don't even have a mentorship in general. I just stream. I just stream. I'm just streaming for fun right now, for the fun of it. I'm not an educator at the moment. Though I can. I just don't feel like that's something I really want to do, and it's the kind of pressure I want to put on myself at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Is this a paid mentorship of yours? Because I actually want to network with trade. Oh, like the people in this call. This is a paid mentorship with Ethan. Ethan Trades. He does a private mentorship. He's not accepting students right now, but you can still apply if you like.
You pay just to be on YouTube calls with Eli.
Yeah, that's actually the main benefit, to be honest.
Yep.
Primary benefit.
I think today's a poker day.
Like,
Are we hopping on the table or what?
have no trade ideas. Nothing.
Damn. Unless 4 hour creates an precision, which it is in 10 o'clock news. I may figure out a short entry potentially.
Okay. Okay. Bullish or bearish for a session? All right. I did go over my narrative earlier, so I recommend please just going back into the live because I feel like I may have to repeat myself a lot if I don't say that. Okay, let's go over my understanding of MMXM real quick. Let's do it like a very general. So. It's a very ugly chart. Ethan draws better. He has more experience drawing. I will say. Okay. So. Real quick.
Yeah, it sucks that I got the 15-minute highs. I don't know if I could even go in on a short actually.
Yeah. Make how pretty. Make this nice and pretty. Well, nice and pretty for y'all.
Oh yeah, I think I could, if a 4 hour creates precision.
So this applies to all time frames, by the way I'm doing this. So let's say. Wait, let me take a look at price real quick. What's price doing? Wime's dumping.
How's the oil doing?
Two minutes. Oh, give me a sec. I'll go back to the demonstration a bit. I just need to see how price plays out right now because I may take a stab on my fundeds. How do you decide to be bullish? Okay. Still no new questions. We'll just wait. Just close it below. Take a small stab. Oy. Something like.
There's technically 5 minute on the highs because YM.
Yeah, but it's a little.
It's a yeah.
It's a little tough one. Tough bug.
Yeah, I'm not taking anything until 10, potentially even 10:30 or just nothing today.
Yeah, if this isn't close below, I'm not interested.
That is a massive 15-minute candle.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, YM is just. Where's YM going? All the way. That's where YM's going.
Yeah.
All the freaking way.
Dumping.
I should probably put a stop like. There we go. Something like that. That's my position. Not a huge fan of how it's reacting and moving, but I'll take a stab.
We stabbing, boys.
Yes. Going to already previous session.
I'm gonna wait till 10.
Oh yeah, 10 a.m. news. You're right. I forgot about
It could wake up and create that 1 minute.
51. 51530. Okay. Anyways, okay, let's go back to the example. Oh, okay. Gosh dang it, Jake.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say it. Ah,
Jake.
You're
I'm
throwing
sorry.
right now, Jake. You're throwing.
Alright, anyways. Well, that's one play. Anyways.
I gotta go.
All good, all good. Okay. So, you have this area, right? Accumulation. Accumulation. Distribution. I need a marker. Where's the marker? Okay. Accumulation. Manipulation, right? Down. Distribution, right? Oh, I drew the wrong SMT, actually. That's funny. There we go. So, how you can identify the manipulation is through SMT, right? You create SMT, and then you have either change of state delivery or market structure shift, and then it distributes up, right? AMD, right? And then up here, how do you know if this is a true market structure shift, right? That it's going to shift the market, the market maker model, right? SMT, right? So imagine you have SMT, like imagine this is NQ, and then YM is like that, right? Boom. So that's how you can identify the top, and also different phases when you're going in and out of phase of market maker models. But sometimes it's hard to identify. So, but usually if you just start off with SMTs, you're pretty much chilling. My goodness, I'm just mute myself for a bit. Actually, I think this construction is gonna go on all the whole time. So. I still like this trade idea, by the way. It's just I got stopped, so it is what it is. Was it SMT on top when you entered? I forgot to say. Yes, there was a 5-minute SMT. So right here, see how YM did not 90-minute cycle. So this went like that, bow. And this went like that, bang. And this went like that, bow. Bing, bang, bow. I hope y'all appreciate my explanation. Oh man, is it gonna stop yelling and go? Let's see. It could be just one of those though. And those are the kind of days you just gotta accept in your heart and move on. Or it creates another opportunity. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Either would be awesome sauce.
Hoping for 10 a.m. manipulation versus 10 a.m. continuation. But, I'm gonna see.
Yeah, we'll have to see, we'll have to see. Maybe it was just an unlucky stop. I mean, no, it's just the stop that made sense to me at this point. Like this, what even if you put the swing point, just completely wicked it out, right? Like what other stop would I really use? I tap this 15-minute gap. Like just unless I go like up here to this swing point, which would be really high, but it's all good. Like it could still go back up and give me another opportunity. So I'm not too stressed about it. Not too stressed about it. I know my body language looks like I'm super stressed about it, but I'm just I'm just like that.
What's up, guys?
Yo, what's good?
Yo, what up, Snaz?
Nose.
Is anybody in the short?
I'm about to be soon.
in my head, yes.
Okay.
I can still see a 10 a.m. wick happening, but
Oh yeah, there's news there.
Yeah.
it doesn't have to now.
What is the news?
That's probably in.
Premium consumer sentiment.
What were you saying, Keith?
Oh, I was just saying Huck's probably in. It's
Yeah,
SMT.
once
Dow.
this 1 minute close, I'm actually gonna be in right now.
The Dow unicorn model. I see it.
No, that's what I was going off of, Keith. Exactly what you were saying earlier. You know, the breaker block, fair value gap,
Mhm.
NWAG, 5-minute SMT at the highs, 1-minute SMT at the highs.
Yeah.
Let me different real quick. Why do I not think we are in a market maker buy model right now? On what time frame? That is a very crucial factor. But also, something to keep in mind is discretion, right? There's all this sell side liquidity resting, right? And there's overnight expansion that also, you can keep in mind it could be manipulation, but it also sort of sets the direction as well, right? You're trading against huge gaps. Regardless, even if it's manipulation or not, there's orders there, right? There's people that want to sell, there's people that want to go lower, right? Like if you're going higher, you're taking out all those orders overnight. So it kind of sets me up to think I'm a little more bearish, temporarily, obviously. Just higher time frame based on premium discount and SMTs. I feel like we can still go higher. But I hope that answers your question. If not, I can go back to it. I just want to watch this 10 a.m. news real quick. And also unmute from the Discord. Did you guys get in on this?
30
Yeah, I'm in now. I had a confluence with the 936 candle. I liked on YM. It was a swing point in a gap, and I translated it to NQ, and then when the 1 minute closed below there twice, I got in.
Before 10 a.m. news is kind of scary, I can't lie. But
It
It can
totally
wick
is. It could absolutely wick me out. But I'll... Oh, there it goes.
well,
Not yet, but it's definitely definitely wanting to.
Jake, this is the second time you spoke it into existence.
I know. Shit. I mean, crap. I'm live.
Gosh darn it, Jake. Nah, it looks
Gosh,
fucking
crapping. Okay.
When do I turn bullish? When we have a 5-minute SMT on the lows, probably, and it shows what change in state, because right now all 5 minutes are taken out of the lows. Maybe a previous session low as well. As F you candle, yeah, kind of, yeah, pretty much. If you're in a short, yeah.
All right. I don't mind it yet.
I think it looks
No
good.
bottom wick on a 15 minute.
Yeah, I think it looked good.
It stayed below a level that I wanted, which was this 937 candle body.
Is SMT
Getting
enough, or do
crazy
you have to
with
look for? I usually just use a sequential SMT. On the higher time frame, though, I do look at just regular SMTs as well, but mostly sequential. Why's my cam so low? Wheat.
Market makers, displacement could look cool right now. You guys would be really cool market makers.
Step right here.
Whoever's working today. You'd be the cool market makers. Come on.
There you go, guys. This would be a second stab right here.
You in with me?
Yes, sir. You're such a good explainer. Thank you. Oh, wow. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm just yapping, but I'm glad it helps. If it doesn't, feel free to ask any questions for clarity.
If we close below the 958 low, I'm going to move stops to the news candle line.
Gotcha.
Like that, yeah. When did you get in?
Me?
I got in at the 952 candle.
952. 952.
Oh, whoa. Nice.
Oh, nice. Sweet. I would keep an eye on previous session low on YM.
Good call.
Yes,
Set
sir.
a little alert.
Nice little price alert.
I want you to trade past this price. Wouldn't want a closure. Oh yeah, I didn't look at the 90 minute. 90 minutes looking cool.
Now we wait, guys. Let's see. Let me check my. Is it even worth checking Twitter? I'll check Twitter.
Ah, damn it.
Bless you.
Thought I got rid of this cough. Keeps coming back.
Let's hope we're not getting Friday'd.
Don't say that. You're gonna jinx it.
I think we're looking pretty okay.
Did you say we're not getting Friday'd or we are getting Friday'd?
Whichever one is the better option. I think either would be suck. I can't say anything. I shouldn't have said anything.
Yeah.
Why is Ethan's channel dead now? Or his Discord or YouTube? Because Ethan live streams on YouTube now. He's back to live streaming. If it's his Discord, it's because he's putting his focus on his private students more right now. Oh,
He
YouTube,
also
okay.
said there was too many spammers, so he's gonna probably shut down his whole Discord.
Yeah, yeah. So the Discord, the free Discord, is just too many scammers and bad actors, right? So it's just really hard to work with. Like any content he releases there is just gonna get leaked. Any it's just like, what's the point, right? And for his channel, he's thinking of creating more content soon, like more YouTube videos. But for now, he's back to live streaming, so you can catch him. I think he streams Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the same time I do. So. But
I
fake.
haven't looked at NDogs or NWOGs. Is anything preventing us today? Is there any secret resistance or support?
There's a 4-hour gap I've been eyeballing that I drew out from a long time ago that we're holding off as support now.
The 8:30 Thursday?
There's a
Oh wait, just kidding. That was 15 minute.
Friday 6 o'clock 4-hour candle. There's a gap there. Yep.
All right.
On the 4-hour chart.
I moved my stops above the news candle high. I don't like the way it's stalling. Yeah, gonna go and it's going now.
Solid.
When I say Friday, I mean previous Friday. I forgot today's Friday. But yeah, we're literally just tapping it like crazy.
You're talking that big bullish one, right?
Yeah.
With the swing point in it. Yep.
We've been respecting it as support and resistance for a while now.
Yeah, I see that. And then we close through those equal lows in it, and hopefully we can treat it as resistance now. Snows, when are you gonna put the magnet on your chart, dude?
Oh, dude, that magnet's on, brother. That magnet is the big magnet's on right now.
Okay, good.
It is on the screen itself. He needs to go buy a new one.
Reset.
A whole new screen. It's crazy. Breakthrough.
Okay, so look at. Oh, oops.
All right.
I'll just say it's this.
I like this displacement potential.
Here we go, Jake. Check the chat.
Thank you for throwing that magnet on. I hope you made
brother,
it.
You are
Yeah.
so welcome. dude.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. You should live stream and be like, I'll put a magnet on the chart for every dollar I get. And then you keep throwing magnets on there. I'd pay.
Brother.
All right. Now we hit my alert. YM is tapping into a hidden level. Oh, and it's the previous session low. But let's see what we do here.
Yeah, I'm risk off completely.
Dude, heck yeah.
Bow, 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 bow.
I'm not quite there yet.
I just put on a paper trade so people can see, but this would be where I would actually enter.
And I'm out. I don't like.
Whoa. Little scalp? Heck yeah.
$360. Happy. Probably could have
Do it,
held
my
for
dude.
the lows, but it is what it is.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda. You're green. You're eating. You're healthy.
Yeah, I'm green. I'm happy. You know.
Beautiful. My entry's at 21,725. Where is that?
Now it's just gonna go. Yeah, of course.
All good, man.
Of course.
Whatever happens.
You took a
happens.
little slice though, you know?
You took your little slice of life.
That's solid. Yeah. Took a stab, took a slice. Good for Friday 13. Done.
Yes, sir. Call it a day.
I
Go get a
can't claim that.
massage.
Whoever said that in the chat, shout out.
Yeah, who was it? Friday the 13th. What's my target? I'm just looking at previous session body low right now.
Is that the 919 low, or are you looking at the
919.
what low are you looking at? You know?
It's pretty much at 12:15 a.m.
What?
It's a previous session low body.
Oh, good grief, London low. Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
yeah. You could take it to like you could take it to like 10:30 p.m. yesterday, but like if you're on Top Steps or something, you can just get wiped, like you lose your account. So it's up to your discretion, I guess. If your prop firm will actually destroy you. Oh, there's.
Are you talking about the percentage rule or whatever?
Yeah, the 2% rule.
I traded past that on a combine and they let it happen, but on a live account I don't know what happens. I hope they would just stop you instead of take your account away. That's scary.
Yeah, that's why I hope they just liquidate you. I'd rather that happen.
Yeah, exactly.
But I don't want to stay to find out, to be honest. So
Yeah, yeah,
Take-
true.
take it out beforehand.
We'll have Ethan do it.
Yeah, either his TFD tester accounts, bro. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's fine with TFD too, though, low key. But
True.
my TFDs are okay. They're up, but they're like pretty much break even over time.
I didn't even start TFDs. I just got 3 combines right now that I'm copy trading them.
Yes, sir. Not a big fan of this. We'll see, because Web took a previous session low. We just continue chopping higher. A very good possibility we just continue chopping higher. Especially with the higher time from turtle soup. But we hold until things tell us otherwise, so.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Do, 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 do. Oh, why did Siri turn on? Oopsies.
15.
Oh my god.
Bless you.
I'm joking. Oh. Oh, I was.
You all right?
Ooh, yeah, I'm good. Oh my goodness, it was almost my time to go. You know what I'm saying? Almost the end of me.
Oh god.
What's the timing on my live stream? I don't think I should have too much delay. It should just be a couple seconds delay. If you're thinking about delay, it should be almost like live. Like there shouldn't be really delay. But if you're thinking about like when do I go live, it's 9:15 a.m. every morning. So feel free to like subscribe or hit the ring notification, and then you'll catch me whenever I'm live. Or you can follow me on Twitter. I post on Twitter too, or on Ethan's Discord, like a bunch of areas, wherever. You can't really miss it. But only on weekdays, 9:15 a.m. I am flying on Tuesday. Actually, no, I can still stream on Tuesday. I'm flying in the afternoon. I won't be live Wednesday. Let me pull up a calendar. Actually, this is wonky. Okay. So from June 18th to 28th, I'll be streaming not consistently. So I'll just like post it on Twitter, and I'll also post it on my YouTube. So if you subscribe to my YouTube, I'll put like a little like post out, because you put posts on YouTube on my channel, and I'll just be like tell you guys when I'm live at least the day before, because I'm in Japan, so I'm not gonna be in country.
We close below this 10-12 low, I'd move, or if I was still
10-12 low. 10-12. Oh, I see.
I'm
Into
still
Japan,
not
which
at break
part?
even.
I am going to. Well, it's gonna be my first time, so I'm gonna cover some main areas, like Tokyo, of course. I have a list actually. Give me a sec. Nice, Japan is beautiful. I heard great things. I've never been. I'm going to Shinjuku, which I think is in Tokyo. I'm gonna go to Shibuya. Gonna go to Harajuku. Going to Shizuoka. Going to Mount Fuji. Those are the main spots, I'm pretty sure. Oh my goodness, the construction is crazy. Yeah, my basement's getting renovated right now, so you guys are gonna hear this for a while.
I actually can't hear it.
Oh really? Oh, probably on a stream. Probably on a stream, because my stream is a bit more sensitive. My Discord has like a AI thing.
So 15 Velez.
Do. That's just pretty fine. Privacy.
The only thing I am slightly concerned with now is the
What, Daniel?
15-minute SMT on the lows.
I know, that's what I'm looking at. If NQ gives a close below that 930 body, I'm probably gonna go break even and hope for the best from that standpoint.
On the 15-minute.
Yeah.
Have a little plan when you're gonna go.
Just because it's that
15-minute SMT. So right here. Talk right here. This YM took out.
changes state of delivery confirmation on the 15, which would be really cool.
Alright. YM took out that previous session though. Something to keep in mind.
Yep.
And then if you have lower time frame confirmation, then you'd want exactly. Then you'd want to pretty much get out. But we don't have any lower time frame confirmation. I'm going to take off this paper position because that's not actually what my position is. My position is here. I wouldn't mind moving my stops to at least 10:05 candle wick high. It's an order block on ES. It's also a precision candle. Something like that. So you protect at least some of your capital. Not break even yet.
Yeah, me neither.
Good stuff, good stuff.
This looks good. Come on. Don't trick us.
We're on Eli's live on YouTube.
Yeah, baby, we're famous.
Yes, you're. Oh, I forgot to mention today. Not to you, sorry.
Damn, I'm liking this. Come on, 8 minutes. Can you stay like this?
Run, baby, run. That is so good.
Oh, you spoke it into non-existence.
Yeah.
Nah, it's chill. I think the trade still looks good. I like it.
We just
Yeah,
got to
I
make it past
definitely-
this first. I mean, it's a beautiful market maker model on the 15-minute. We just got to make it
and-
past that first accumulation level.
My stop would definitely be above the 10-14 high now.
Yeah.
10:14.
What is the midpoint of this 15-minute situation right now?
10:14 high.
We are not in discount yet, so that's kind of nice. We want some closures past that midpoint for continuation of that market maker model. It'd be nice. Yeah, a couple midpoints I'm looking at.
10:15. Yeah, I can't wait to pass my TFDs, bro.
Yeah.
TFDs, it's just like, it feels like it's just forever. But it's not bad. And they have like a boosted base hit thing going on right now, so I can do a higher daily profit, which is nice.
That's sweet.
Because I think, honestly, the original daily base hit, so it's like 2,400, and Ethan and I risk about $500, $600 per trade. So, and the thing is, like, our models like kind of rely on some bigger RR trades. So the fact that we can't even get those bigger RR trades kind of makes it really hard to pass. Like, we're just pretty much like a little gains. Like, very, because our win rate is lower, right? So that's just how it is.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I need to figure out how to hold my winners, man.
Maybe like figuring out a solid break-even strategy.
Just walking away.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to refactor, and be fine with the break-even when it happens.
Honestly, Snows, if it's according to your plan, sometimes like what I do is once I take profit, I just leave my computer. Like, honestly, right now you should just go and enjoy your day. Like,
No, you're right.
honestly,
Yeah.
I not that
I mean, you
I
did
really
good.
I really do enjoy talking to you though. I can't lie, but
Oh,
for
no.
your own mental health, brother, it doesn't hurt to just go out, enjoy your day. Man, you made 300 freaking bucks, bro. Like, get yourself a
let's
freaking
go.
McChicken or something. You can you can eat good, brother. That's like double of what most people make in a day, man.
Dude, it's crazy. I took a 50k demo account and I doubled it in
Damn.
6 weeks. And
That's
I'm like,
That's so awesome.
and I'm like, if I can do that in a demo, what it, and 90 of, oh, okay, 80% of those positions were put it on and walk away.
Exactly.
And the amount of times that price had come all the way back to break even, and then or my entry, and then just
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly,
Oh,
brother.
no, I
Go
think
go
cut
enjoy your
out.
day, man. Go enjoy your day. Actually, like that's what I like to do too. Just go get a coffee. Go get a whatever you do, man.
Peace, guys. Have a good weekend. It's
Yeah.
nice to be back and chat to you all. I'll see you all on Monday.
Yeah, have a great
I
weekend,
know, it's
brother.
good to chat with you.
All right.
Later,
Catch
man.
you later, man.
Bye,
Take care,
David.
take care.
Bye, Jake. Bye, Eli.
See
Peace,
ya.
peace. All
I'm
right,
off,
yeah.
dude. Good luck to you.
All right, take care, Keith.
Later, Keith.
Have a great weekend.
See you,
Bye-bye.
Keith.
Peace.
YM seems unwilling to move. Yeah, I do look unwilling to move, but that's fine. That's good. Maybe they can push together. Maybe. Honestly, at this point, like, let's say,
I want this 15-minute close. Because then that would be a 15-minute change in state of delivery
yeah, it's true.
off of that massive candle. Yeah.
And it's also gonna be a nice 90-minute close. If you look how nasty this close is gonna be.
I know.
it's a
Basically,
rejection.
this trade was basically trading that 90-minute candle, essentially. Actually, even just the 1-hour candle. We almost got in on the wick. Just about. Oh shoot, where's my take profit? Okay, good. It didn't hit it. I didn't know if I moved it to where I wanted. Sometimes I just drag it down.
Sure.
Dude, is this Friday? Is it going for those equal freaking lows? I do not know yet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Man,
lie.
that
This
would-
might be one of the cleanest Fridays we had in a while.
I know. I'm kind of terrified of that because I think it's just gonna turn around.
Maybe I should have said that either.
It's just gonna turtle soup that low right there on the 15-minute chart, and which is discount, and then just shoot up.
Yo,
No,
guys,
no.
clip it, bro. Literally this morning, bro. I was like, yo, even though ES took equilibrium already with its 8:15 a.m. candle, like I can see NQ just going higher, take equilibrium, and then I'd be interested in shorts, and then boom, boom, boom.
Dude,
Blah, blah, blah.
get it, Eli.
Yeah, I wish I didn't take this. I got freaking wicked out earlier, and I was like, oh, but it's okay. It happens.
Where did you put your stop on that? Because the highs were fine.
My original one was 935. I entered before that, right? I put on the 935 high, and then the 950 woke me out.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
But it makes a lot of sense, right? I didn't expect 10 a.m. to go past 9:50 a.m. because that was the kind of sweep higher we were looking for, right?
Yeah, that. I just needed for me, I just needed a little bit more because but
Yeah.
it's perfect. That happens so much too. You
Mhm.
got to be willing to take 2 stabs, basically.
Yeah, I think who was it? Was it Shivam? I think it's Shivam that said it was like we're looking for. It's like you're looking for a model within a model. Like you're looking for like a Inception, right? He said it was like Inception. So that's pretty much
Yep.
like what we're looking for, right? Like, or we drop down to 1 minute, just drop a bit lower. Look for the same thing, right? On the 5-minute sweep higher.
Exactly.
Damn, bro, you made hit TP $400. Like you hit TP? Congratulations, brother. Alright, well, I'm still not. I still won't be out of this. I'm still taking it to previous session low body. But if your model calls for you to be out, good stuff, man. Good stuff today. Great Friday. You know, even if you're break even, it's a great Friday. I mean, regardless of what happens on the trade, it's a great Friday. We're alive and breathing. So that's actually a better way to look at it. Doesn't matter, green, break even, whatever. You follow your plan and you're alive.
Dude, look at this 15-minute close.
Yeah, it's juicy. I'm looking at market.
As long as this next 15-minute doesn't completely invalidate that candle, doesn't like shoot up, I feel like we're still pretty freaking solid. That looks like a 15-minute market maker model, if I do say so myself. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Change in state of delivery activated.
with how far this has gone, at least 400 ticks, I recommend at least going break even. If you entered where I entered, at least. Damn, bro, you made me TP. Oh, misspell. Made me $400. I got you, man. Give me 10% though. I'm taking 10% commissions now. I'm kidding. I hope you found it useful, brother, and I hope you understand the reasoning of why I took the trade. Move it back. What's up, brother? What's up? What's up, Sad Tech? Into a nasty consolidation zone. Yeah, I'd like to see some speed past this sell-side liquidity. You see this lineup right here? Now it's supporting, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm glad I could help Tina, but I hope you're able to see why I took it as well, because that's very important, so you can sustainably do this yourself as well, right? That's the goal, right? At the end of the day. Yeah. But yeah, I'm not necessarily an educator, but you know, any support helps. Feel free to subscribe, hit that like button. I'm live every day, 9:15, or every weekday. I mentioned this before. I'm gonna be traveling for a little bit, 10 days, but on that I'll be live. You can catch my notifications on YouTube or Twitter. I took it based off 5-minute order block. Yeah, 5-minute sequential SMT and 5-minute change in state, but that 5-minute change in state creates an order block, right? I said that really quick. Right here, see a 5-minute SMT right here, right? YM doesn't go higher, does not close above, and then this was my original idea. So you see how this candle engulfs this this candle right here, the 935. This was my original idea, lower, and then I got wicked out unfortunately by 950, which is fine. But then after seeing this wick out, I did not expect 10 a.m. to sweep higher anymore, right? If it sweeps higher, it's just gonna be bullish in my opinion, right? At least closure above. So my second trade was something like this, right? Or my second idea, I took it a bit later, but like that should be enough to confirm it. I just want to wait a bit more just to be for sure, like candle closure, right? Always wait for a candle closure for confirmation. So that's why I entered where I did, right? And then you can put the stop at 10 a.m. There's an order block on ES as well there, 10 a.m. Really nice, and it's also a precision candle, right? It's an up close candle on ES, up close. Actually, I'm not sure if it's up close candle on YM as well. Yes, up close candle on YM. It's an order block as well, and then it's a down close candle on YM or NQ. Sorry. What's your entry model? Okay, so entry model basically is stacked SMTs. So I have a narrative. So what was my narrative? I'll quickly go over it. I did recommend people to just go back in the stream, but you guys can feel free to go back in stream. It's also recorded as well. But I'll quickly go over it since I'm nearing the tail end of my stream. So I have this 90-minute dealing range, right? Created right here, 90-minute range. And this is my daily chart. Oh, sorry, 90-minute range. Here we go. And this is my daily chart pretty much to me, right? And earlier this morning, I saw that. Let me know if I'm yapping too much in Discord, by the way, guys. I can just mute.
No, you're good. We're chilling.
ES hit the midpoint equilibrium, but I was still looking for NQ and YM to go higher to at least take the equilibrium, right? And why is that? Because we technically have a higher time frame turtle soup. So you see how YM right here goes a bit lower. Closes lower, wicks lower. NQ does not wick lower. NQ creates actually equal lows, and ES wicks below, right? So that's what my higher time frame narrative is still bullish. If you go on the daily, it's still bullish as well. If you draw a range on the daily, it's like YM hit discount. NQ has NQ hit discount. I actually can't tell. Let me check because we just had a move there. Not yet, but I'm just a higher time frame like bullish. Like look at these like candles, like massive candles, order flow narrative, right? So I am a lot higher time frame bullish, but I will say since it generates so much sell side liquidity, I won't be opposed to sells, right? Like this line right here, right? So you have to look at immediate order flow, right? That's very important throughout your day. So using immediate order flow, right? If immediate order flow is against my narrative, I would look for it to take out that immediate order flow, or is that immediate? Oh yeah, that immediate sell side liquidity. Sorry, but it's from the immediate order flow, right? To create SMTs to go towards my narrative. So as you can tell right now I would look to, let me zoom in. If this closes above this order block right here, I would probably get out of this trade at 1023, the wick high. So if it closes above that, I'll probably want to get out of this trade right now, and I'd still be up like, I don't know, let's say 3R. That's pretty nice. And that's not including if you trimmed already, right? Let's see. Put it back to my stop right there. Oh my goodness, my posture's so bad. Okay. Anyways. That's pretty much my entry model. So I stack SMTs. Today is a little different. It's a Friday, so I just based it on kind of lower time frame SMTs with lower time frame confirmation. But generally, you'd want to see, you know, like if I had, let's say, a 4 hour, 1 hour, or 90-minute SMT giving me direction, and then the order flow and narrative, like the order flow is also following that, and then I dropped into the 15-minute and 5-minute, and I have a 15 or 5-minute SMT. Then that is very, very high confluence that I would take every day. Yeah, and then the last key component to when I enter is usually a 5-minute change in state delivery or 5-minute true market structure shift, right? And all of it has to have an SMT to create it. So if I'm looking for a 5-minute change in state delivery, like over here, right? Like this morning's entry, 5-minute sequential SMT, and then 5-minute change in state delivery, and then I take the short. Though I got wicked out, unfortunately, by 950, I was able to get back in on the same idea, right? It'll be same on the 15-minute. But yeah, at this point, though, guys, since YM took previous session low, and we're moving higher, and we also are about to close above this order block, I would just get out, guys. You could, like, this could be a model for higher. You can take, you know, I say the risk isn't too worth right now. By the way, it's already moved. But since you remember how I mentioned earlier, I am higher time frame bullish, right? You could take this to probably something like Asia, right? If this is the case. But that's the reason for my short, right? Hit premium on markets, right? On NASDAQ, the main market we're looking at, right? 5-minute SMT, 5-minute change in state delivery, right? A bunch of sell-side liquidity. Unfortunately, it did not take out all the sell-side liquidity. It took out a little bit, but that is something that I keep an eye on. Nice, man. You seem very disciplined in your model and plan. Wish you well. Thank you, CFTC. How much time have you been trading? I've been trading for about 2 years now. Coming up to 2 years, actually. Should be in August. It'll be 2 years, I believe. It's crazy because I'm a beginner and I learned about turtle soups today and spotted that one in IQ. Yes, sir, Saya. I mean, it's pretty much just SMT, right? Sequential SMT. If you go back to yesterday's stream, I recommend checking out yesterday's stream. I talked about sequential SMTs. I talked about 3 types of sequential SMTs as well. It's pretty much a higher confluence version of turtle soups. So that's pretty much what I base all my all my trades off of. So welcome back, Ethan. Also, if you guys are like new to trading, I'd also recommend checking out Ethan's channel. So he just texted in chat, so feel free to just click on his profile and go to his account. He has great videos to how to start off, how to risk manage, even how to journal. So check it out. Yeah, I'll probably get out by now, guys, by the way. So at least for the short idea. Jake, are you still in?
I am. I'm closely monitoring. So,
Okay,
but
yeah.
I'm probably
Teetering.
gonna be out here soon.
All right,
Yeah.
gotcha. Fair. You might have a 15-minute SMT with 15-minute change of state, by the way. So. Yo, this.
Yes, I see that. That's what after this 15-minute candle will be pretty decisive.
Yeah, not too bueno up in here. Ethan, how's your stream? Welcome back. Yeah, good stuff, Saya. Just keep practicing. If you have the risk, then I recommend like practicing on Eval account. If you just don't have like the funds at the moment, then that's okay. Continue demo, continue just back testing and testing, or testing and forward testing. But I would recommend, if you have a comprehensive kind of model and plan, that you stick to it at least for 2-3 months before you switch anything, right? Because yesterday I had someone come in and he's like, "Oh, I know thousands of models and strategies." Yeah, that's horrible, man. That's horrible. Don't do that.
I'm BE now, or yeah, I'm out for break even, so I'm not in a position.
Okay, all right, cool. Risk free, big chillin'. Lean back in the chair. Grab yourself some bean juice.
Oh no, I'm out. Yeah.
Oh,
well, I mean,
oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that's risk free.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean technically, yeah, that is risk free. Now you're completely risk free now. Nice, bro. I'm watching ICT core mentorship 1 to 12. Then ZC's 2025. Do you think I'm on the right path? Thanks for advice, G. Yeah, no worries. I think if they're they trade similar. So I haven't watched all ICTs. I literally selectively picked a couple videos and watched ICT, and Zusi I've not watched at all. I've heard of Zusi, but that's it. But if they have similar like trading models and you align well with their model and you already kind of have a general understanding of it, yeah, continue, man. Like, just don't stop. Just stick with it and collect data on it. But don't switch up too much. That's all I gotta say. You gotta really stick to. You gotta stick to something like relatively long term. Long term, as in it's not even long term, but like 2 to 3 months to actually know if it works or not, right? For you. Ooh, big ol' yapper today. My mouth is so dry. Actually, I think I yapped even more yesterday, but this is fun. I love yapping.
It's good. It's good.
Thanks for advice, G. We'll do bro things. Yeah, no problem. I hope you find it. You're able to get some gems, man. And if not, come back for another shoot. we be yapping almost every day. I just realized I'm like almost never looking at the camera because the chat's on the side. I should probably change that. They're always just looking at my side profile. Oopsies.
No, you're good. You're good.
How's the side profile looking though? You know what I'm saying? Chiseled chin.
Just absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you, brother. You're making me blush.
Yeah.
Bro, gonna get teleprompter. Yeah, it's time to get a teleprompter. Bro. Hook up a DSLR and just break it.
I mean, still looking. It's just. Just want to see how this 15-minute candle closes. I mean, technically, there's opposing model. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Nah, don't hold on to hopes and dreams. I've done this too many times, Jake. I mean, you're already out, so you're
I know.
you're out, so you're chilling. But like, oh my goodness, one time I had an opposing model, but I was like, what if it just displaces? Do it though.
If I had a what's it called, a true market structure shift up, I would be more confident in being able to take the opposing position. But there hasn't been, just change in state of delivery. So. Like if I'm both sided, I wait on that, basically.
That's fair.
And 15 close. Yeah, that's.
This might be all day kind of long. Longs these days have been.
Yeah. And whatever, it's Friday. At least no L. Or
Yeah, no,
for me, sorry. Oh, amazing. Oh, I didn't realize Ethan's taking it. Awesome, dude. That is what's up.
This long?
Yeah, Ethan's in the long.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. I put a tool up as well, but I'm in deep into my risk appetite, so I'm not gonna. I'm full. You know what I'm saying?
100%. Yeah.
So, I'm good on today. But I did put a little tool up. If you guys are interested in this long, of what a position would look like.
It's totally not bad, especially from the reaction of discount on the 15-minute with that market maker model. Usually that's, yeah, that's where it wants to bounce. But it's still kind of undecided, I feel.
Yeah, for sure.
And a Friday.
I'm gonna end stream at 11 today, guys. I need to go get a haircut at 12:30. Cause look at this, my freaking mullet is gonna. I'm cutting off the mullet, by the way. No more mullet. So sad. It's just too hot. Here, I'll do a. I'm gonna take off my headphones for a sec. I'm gonna do a mullet preview.
Nice.
Bunch of hair. I gotta just.
What are you doing? You doing real short?
Yeah. So I'm gonna shave my back. Like I'm gonna keep the top a bit longer. Like I'm gonna keep a middle part because I just like middle parts and it fits my head well. But I'm gonna do like a shave out the back, shave out the sides, thin out the top. It's probably the vibe. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna miss it though. The mullet treated me very well. Kept me warm through the cool Canadian winter.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna head out. Have a
Alright,
good
take
weekend.
care.
See
Sounds
ya.
good. Later, man.
Good weekend. Dang! Wait, 80s. I haven't checked my subscribers in a minute. I hit 86 subscribers? Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Thanks, everyone. Oh my goodness. That is so exciting. What the heck? That's crazy. Unbelievable. I'm even excited to just talk to like 3 people when we're in call, man. 86? Guys.
That's what's up.
That's 86 souls, guys. That's too many. That's a lot. Let me shrink my. I just really realized my head wasn't the freaking taking up the whole chat. Okay. It's pretty cool, it's pretty cool. Duplicate. Yo, what's good, Hyuk? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Always good to see you. But chilling. I hope your TFDs are eating, bro. Congrats on the everyone. Congratulate Hyuk on passing his TFDs, bro. That's exciting. That's pretty lit.
Hyuk is killing it.
Hyuk is a king, bro. I feel like his model is so good for passing TFDs, especially like with that like consistency rule, because he's like shooting for like 2-3 Rs and stuff. It's like kind of amazing.
So good.
With his like high win rate.
Yeah,
that's amazing. For Ethan and my model, it's kind of rough because we have lower win rate but higher RR. But I like how they added the boosted base hit for TFDs, so that makes it so it's easier for us to pass. I didn't trade today, didn't see anything I liked. That's fair. Good stuff. I don't think you missed out on too much. Or anything, really. There's like... a long without framework, a short that's half decent.
You missed out on a break-even trade, so...
Yeah, you're chilling. No good unicorns. Yeah. They're not flying around today. They're hibernating. Man, I've been liking these chemistries, but I actually do not pay attention to how my face, like, the facial expressions and things I'm making. So I should be like this. I wouldn't even know. I don't like my camera.
I mean, don't overthink it. I think just having the cam is just so much better.
Yeah, you guys can see me crash out.
Yeah.
Is it the same camera you use for your OnlyFans? Hey, yo! Link in bio. No, I'm kidding. Yo, crazy Hyuk. I only shoot 4K. I'm kidding. I'm playing. That's crazy. I do not associate, nor am I sponsored. Disgusting. Oh, here we go. Honestly, it's for a Friday. Actually, nah, never mind. I was about to say I'd move my stop to this 5-minute order block, but I wouldn't. I'm lying if I said I would. I'd keep it here if it creates a order block, a 5-minute order block, and a 5-minute gap. Then I'll move there. Especially for a Friday, you want to be that's what I do. But up to your discretion, guys, and your plan, your own discernment. One second, guys. 1 second.
Yo. Come on, market makers, do it for Ethan. Go, go, go.
Oh, I just realized I'm muted this whole time. No. Well, basically what I was saying is we're good now. I put magnets on the screen and I was blowing on the, you know, blowing on the chart to get it go higher. You know. Yeah, let me go. I got it, guys. I got it. Wait, let me just. This is real support. Support and resistance. This is support. I got it, guys. I've been training. I've been doing shoulders. Oh. Oh. It's gonna go. You just. It's support.
It's working.
Support takes time. Support takes time, guys. Remember. Okay. We're almost there. Oh, come on. Just a little higher. Could this one be an order block? It's not working. This price is about to hit my head. I want to move myself to protect myself. I'll move my head to break even so I don't get hit by price. This is so stupid. I hope no new traders are coming in. They're like, yo, this is a signal. Alright, guys. I'm gonna hop off stream here. I'm gonna go on a run. I haven't run in a minute. And I need to get I need to clear out my head. Today was a little bit of a doozy. Clip that. Thanks, Amar. Man, I'm just ending stream now, bro. Man. Oh, good, bro. But you can feel free to look back on this stream. Go back on it. Today was relatively good, actually. I kind of called out all the moves except for the initial long that I took on my TFDs because that didn't have a full framework. But you can go back on the stream. I have to stay now. Oh, it's done. It's done. Wait, I'll give you guys. Wait, see, guys, support takes time. Looking out, supporting. See, there's deeper meaning to this. It's like therapy, you know. You gotta give it time and trust the system. I got it. Wait. I'm squatting it. honestly, that could be clipped out of context and that could be pretty bad. So I'm gonna stop doing that. Actually, that's a good idea to stop doing that. Let's not do that anymore. Let's not talk about that either. Do you have a Discord? I know Ethan's Discord. I mean Discord channel. I do not have a Discord right now. But Ethan and I briefly talked about it for a little bit, but maybe we'll make one together. We haven't decided yet. I'm just trying to, I guess, make a little bit of a name for myself as well, and just trying to kind of build a audience base. Honestly, I'm not too hell bent on creating a mentorship. I'm not too hell bent on creating lectures. I'm not too big on, I'm doing any of that right now. I just wanna chill. I just wanna live stream. Great for YouTube shows. All right, thank you, Hyuk. I'm about to get pwned in the comments. But yeah, I'm just trying to stream. I feel like educating, there's like a certain pressure to it, and there's sometimes expectations as well that I just don't want to. Like, obviously, the best advice is just like not obviously listen to it and just do what you need to do. But it's harder said than done sometimes, for sure. So, especially when you really care for your students, right? But yeah, for now I'm just streaming, mostly for entertainment. But I do sometimes signal. I mean, I kind of have been signaling almost every day. But yeah, feel free to subscribe more. I'll stream 9:15 on Monday and Tuesday as well. And then I'm going to travel from June 18th to 28th. But I might have some live streams I'll post on YouTube, and I'll post on Twitter when I'm going live. So yeah, I think the squatting worked. I hope I didn't speak too soon. New PR hit. Price is going. Alright guys, I'm gonna stream. I said I was doing it at 11. I already went OT, guys. I actually have to go. I have to go get a haircut at like 12:30, and I have to eat lunch, and I have to go on a run. I haven't run in a minute. Guys, go outside today. Touch some grass. Drink some water. That's the main takeaway from this stream. And then the signals, and the narrative, and everything else I yapped about. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Peace.